Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have my beautiful friend, and I call her my work wife, Clariss. She's awesome.
Hi guys.
So fun to have you here.
So much fun.
We're doing a holiday look, and I'm going to show you guys what we're doing. This awesome pony. I love the way how you did my pony.
I'm so glad.
It's not easy.
It's not, it's not, it just takes a few steps. So people often think that with a pony, it's just one sweep back. But if you take the time to go through the steps, you can totally personalize your ponytail to be however you want. Textured, straight, high, low. But I just wanted to show off your super cute outfit and your turtleneck.
I mean, we have the same, we kind of like coordinated, have the same outfit.
I mean, it's what we do. I feel
love
like
it.
this happens all the time.
When we work together, all we talk is clothes, shopping.
Yes. Where'd you
food.
get that? And then we order whatever the other person is wearing because we love it.
Fun. But also, what's really fun, I have an extra video for you guys, which we're going to air tomorrow. And I'm going to do Clariss's makeup. And so you have two videos, one today, one tomorrow. And we have a fun giveaway. One of my favorite products, one of your favorite products. And it's something you used while you were doing my hair today. It's an Oribe Texturizing spray. So if you keep on watching this video, at the end we'll tell you how to win this product.
So Monika's hair is already blow dried, so we're going to start with the position of our ponytail and putting in some extensions.
By the way, I love whatever you put in my hair today. It's amazing. I'm not someone who uses a lot of products, but this just doesn't feel like I'm wearing product, but it gave me like a lot of volume.
I use the Oribe Volumista. It's the best. It's just a great, it gives it just a little extra lift without feeling like there's any product residue, which I love because you can wear your blow dry super natural still, but it's nice and full. Okay, so we're blow dried. We've got a little fullness. I'm going to add some wave, but we're going to do that after the pieces are in. So I'm going to section Monika's hair into two sections. I'm going to start right above her ear.
Do you think this is something I could do myself?
100,000% you could do this yourself.
Oh, this looks so hard already.
No, it's not.
I mean, it's the same with eyelashes. You know, people always go, can I do this myself? And I think it's something you can teach yourself.
It's so hard. Whenever I've done my own eyelashes, I have to have like the thickest eyeliner of all time to cover up all the glue that I've put in.
Well, that's how I feel about hair extensions.
Well, this is going to be super easy. So, we've got two sections here, top and bottom. Okay, so this is I'm just going to anchor the ponytail with the bottom section, and I'm going to decide where we want the ponytail to go. I want to definitely clear the nape of the neck so that it's not touching the turtleneck, and I just think kind of back is really pretty. Just swept back, nothing too high, nothing too low. So I'm going to take this bedhead stick, oldie but a goodie. This is amazing. I use this all the time, just to get rid of those little hairs. So I'm just going to go ahead and kiss those little hairs with this wax stick. I love this one because it does not look super product-y. It's just enough to kind of get rid of those little fuzzies.
And what brush are you using? I'm
using a Boar Bristle Mason Pearson brush, just a classic one. I use this more than probably any other brush. And I'm just going to anchor it with a hair tie. This is where the ponytail is going to sit. So this controls how high or low. And I'm not being crazy about it being perfectly smooth because I don't want it to be a sleek look. This is just kind of the anchor, but the rest is going to be soft. Okay, so I'm going to add our first extension. The first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of the Oribe Texturizing spray, which is my whole life, just to give it a little grit. If you stick around to the end of the video, we'll talk about the giveaway with this product, which everybody needs this product. Not a day goes by that I don't use it. Okay, so I'm just giving it a little tease just to give the extension something to hold on to. So the extensions that I chose for Monika are a touch lighter than her hair because only the ends are going to show. And so I want it to look like a little highlighted, because the ends of Monika's hair are actually lighter than a root of her hair. So it matches the ends. So if you see it not matching the root, that is totally fine. Okay, and I'm gonna, before I add any more, this is 3, I'm going to check in with the width of everything, because I want her to look, the ponytail to look like extra, but not extra, if you know what I mean. So I feel like we're in a pretty good place. So I'm not gonna add any more. I think this is, I'm happy with the amount. And you know what, I'm also not mad that there's a little bit of a length difference, because it gives you kind of some texture and some separation. So you'll see how that works when we have the finished result. All right, so we've got our pieces in. Now what do I do with this, the rest of this natural hair? I'm gonna drop some of it down as if I'm gonna put another extension piece in, but I'm not. I'm going to clip it out of the way. Add our Oribe. And I'm using this little teasing brush by Olivia. I'm actually obsessed with it. It's like so affordable. So I want our crown to have a good amount of volume, and I am going to keep a center part on Monika because I think it looks so pretty and elegant and just kind of like not overdone. And then with the remainder of the hair, I'm just going to kind of do a good pass of the Oribe Texturizing everywhere else. Give it just a little grit, a little control, and a little volume. And I'm teasing on either side of the part just for a little lift, but nothing crazy. We're not going full Bardot.
I love what's happening here.
Right? I mean, your hair is like dream hair for a pony, too.
I love the texture.
Great.
You guys, Clariss and I, we work together a lot. We have a bunch of clients together, and every time I look at the call sheet and I see that I work with Clariss, I get very happy.
Me too. It's a good day.
We have fun times together.
We really do. We're good travel buddies. Okay, so now I'm just kind of, with my fingers, collecting the remainder. You see I've dropped a few pieces out around the face, which I'll probably like hit with a curling iron. And I'm not being too precious about how I'm collecting these pieces because I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look soft. Just kind of scraping it and letting it fall. We're not putting any spray or anything to like, you know, make it stay in position yet. So if you want to change it, totally fine. Take it out and change it. You can give this a couple tries. All of the product that I've used so far is totally workable. So if you don't get it right on the first try, don't worry. And you see how this, just the extensions and a little teasing gives her a nice profile of volume without it being, you know, teased beyond belief. So I'm just going to put my hair tie in, and then I'm going to mess with any pieces. I'm not going crazy messy. I want it to look, you know, elegant, but just a little. A little soft. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the ponytail, which is something that can be really tricky if you don't know how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a piece of hair, and I am using this Oribe Spray Wax just over the piece that I'm using to wrap the ponytail, just to smooth it out and kind of get it to stick together a little bit. Now I'm wrapping the pony, and then I'm going to use one of these textured front hairpins. I'm going to show you guys the wrap one more time a little bit closer. So let's do the spray wax. to go ahead and distribute it, smooth it. And then I'm going to take it under, covering the hair tie. And the wax usually helps to keep it all kind of stuck together. And then I'm going to take a textured French hairpin and I'm going to pin it in there. So now I am going to take my 1-inch barrel curling iron. I love an extra long barrel curling iron. And I'm just going to kind of go through the pony and wave it a touch. I don't need it to be super wavy, but I do want some texture to it. Especially because we did use extensions. Waving it a bit does help to blend everything. You can just kind of go through and decide if you want more or less wave. It's totally up to you. There's definitely a version of this straight that's so beautiful too, but that's not what we're doing today. Okay, so I'm not going to wave it too much. I'm just going to kind of hit it with the curling iron just to give it a little bend. Your hair is like perfect hair for this. And then I like a little fuzz, a little flyaway.
I do like a little fuzz too.
Me too. But if there's anything that's bothering you, you can just hit it with the stick. You don't have to press, but just kind of kick it, then it'll hold it for you, which is nice because you don't have to pin anything. And then, just because I know you want to smell that Oribe spray one more time, I'm going to go ahead and spray these front pieces just to give them a little extra life.
And by the way, people are going to get this. There's going to be a giveaway for the first time on my channel. And one lucky winner is going to get that little spray.
It's the best. That's a very lucky person. And the nice thing about the texturizer spray is that these little pieces, if you kind of want to revive them throughout the night, the spray is still in there. So all you have to do is kind of mess with them with your hands and then see it kind of, you can reshape them and bring them back.
I love it.
So you can decide how fluffy you want the front, if you want it to be one piece, if you want to tuck one, show off your earring. But there we go. This is it. This is the whole pony.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you Clariss for being on my channel. I love my hair so much. I really hope that I'm able to recreate this awesome pony. And what's really fun about today's video is that I have a bonus video for you guys which is going to air tomorrow. And I'm going to do Clariss's makeup for a holiday party, and we are ready to go out. Once I do your makeup, we're gonna hit the town, go to a fun party, and I'm going to tell you guys about the giveaway next. Alright guys, so here's the product. I decided to throw in a bonus, which is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. It's the one I'm wearing today. It's a red, beautiful, gorgeous lipstick, and this is the Texturizing Spray by Oribe, one of our favorite products, and you used on me today.
It's the best.
For more info on how to enter, just go in my description box. I will leave all the info right there for you. Don't forget to follow my friend at Instagram and myself at Monika Blunder. And we see you next time. Thanks for watching.